isn't just another flagship phone. This is Xiaomi making a statement. The Xiaomi 15s Pro celebrates 15 years of innovation with a bold new design, powerful accessories, and, most importantly, a self-developed chip that's taking on giants like Snapdragon and Apple head-to-head. From exclusive unboxing treats to real-world gaming tests, we're diving deep into what makes the Xring 01 chip a game-changer, how it stacks up against the Snapdragon 8 Elite and Apple A18 Pro, and whether this phone actually delivers more for less. Can Xiaomi's first in-house chip really compete with the best in the world? Let's find out. This is the full review of the Xiaomi 15s Pro, and trust me, you'll want to watch till the end. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. Big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Mickey from TechMakey. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Let's unbox this quickly and dive in. As for the Xiaomi 15s Pro, it's essentially a special edition of the Xiaomi 15 series, launched to celebrate Xiaomi's 15th anniversary. The packaging is sleek and elongated, and it comes with some elegant anniversary-themed souvenirs. Inside, you'll find a premium-looking charger with a metallic finish. While it still uses a Type A port, it delivers a solid 90 watts of power. But let's set the charger aside for now and see what else is inside. Let's check out the accessories. First, we have a custom phone case, plastic, but with full-edge coverage and a surprisingly nice texture. There's also a lanyard and a commemorative pendant celebrating Xiaomi's 15th anniversary. The variant we received is called Clear Sky Wolf, a design that captures the look of sunlight breaking through the clouds. There's also a sleeker carbon fiber edition, which I personally find a bit more striking. Here's a closer look at the design. The Xiaomi 15 and 15s Pro share the same camera module, but the 15s Pro stands out with Xiaomi's self-developed Xring chip, marked by its unique logo. Now let's try the case on. It actually pairs really well with the phone's body color, both in the clear sky blue colorway. To attach the lanyard, just press down the gasket, let it snap into place, and secure it as usual. Simple and seamless. This is the Xiaomi 15s Pro, part of the complete Xiaomi 15th Anniversary Edition set. It shares the same sleek profile as the Xiaomi 15 Pro. On booting up, you're greeted with an exclusive anniversary animation, followed by a custom 15th anniversary wallpaper. A system update prompts right away, bringing a 4-month security patch. Notably, the phone is powered by Xiaomi's self-developed Xring 01 processor. The Xiaomi 15s Pro still packs a 6100 mAh battery and 16 GB of RAM, but the real highlight is the self-developed Xring 01 chip. Expectations were high, especially with comparisons to Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Apple's A16. But once I tried it, the Xring 01 truly impressed. Built on TSMC's 2nd Gen 3nm process, the same cutting-edge tech used in the Snapdragon 8 Elite and Apple A18 Pro, it marks a major milestone. The last time a self-developed chip used such advanced tech was Huawei's Kirin 9000. With this, Xiaomi proves it's ready to fully unleash its chip design capabilities. Architecturally, the Xring 01 features a 10-core setup, led by two of ARM's latest X925 Ultra cores, clocked at 3.9 GHz. It's backed by 4 3.4 GHz A725 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores, 2 A725 plus 2 A520. The GPU sports 16 cores. In benchmarks, the Xring 01 scores 2990 in Geekbench 6 single-core and 9260 in multi-core, closely rivaling the Snapdragon 8 Elite 3108/9514 and Apple A18 Pro 3199/7639. On the GPU side, Xring 01 nearly mirrors the Snapdragon 8 Elite in performance. Even on Antutu, it holds strong at 2,628,600 points, just shy of the Snapdragon 8 Elite's 2,667,717. Impressive for Xiaomi's first-gen chip. Now let's look at real-world gaming performance. The Xring 01 handles Genshin Impact at full high settings and 60 FPS mode with impressive stability, averaging 59.8 FPS. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, it shows slightly more minor frame drops, 1% lows at 32.6 FPS, but the difference is minimal, almost negligible during gameplay. Surprisingly, this performance doesn't come at the cost of efficiency. Under heavy gaming loads, the Xring 01 draws just 4.2 watts, slightly lower than the Snapdragon 8 Elite's 4.3 watts. That's a small but meaningful edge. In short, Xring 01 not only competes with top-tier SoCs, it nearly matches Snapdragon's flagship, with better efficiency. A clear win for Xiaomi's first-gen chip and likely beyond what many expected. So the Xiaomi 15s Pro isn't just a celebration, it's a challenge to the entire flagship market. With the Xring 01 chip nearly matching Snapdragon's Elite and even beating it in power efficiency, Xiaomi has proved it's no longer just following trends. It's setting them. If this is just the beginning of Xiaomi's chip journey, the future looks powerful. If you found this review helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you trust a Xiaomi chip over Snapdragon or Apple? And don't forget to turn on notifications because more deep dive comparisons and performance tests are coming soon.